So one of the must have in my kitchen is actually my instant water heater. So this is actually one that I got to fit with my other current heater that I'm absolutely, my other faucet that I'm currently in love with. And what I love too is it has this amazing swivel. What I love to do is grab my mug and I actually can swivel it over here and I don't have to worry about it. And it has red here, so you know too that it's hot water. Kind of warn your guests because we have had some family members that think it's soap and they burn themselves. So that's why I really like that. It kind of warns people, and I like to put it off to the side so I don't have to worry about anything splashing. And as you can see, the water pressure is actually really good. And this trigger style almost allows you to kind of target how much. You could do a little, you're down to a lot. And I found that construction is really great. This will actually be great too on an island because it can turn 360. So any position you really want to use it, you don't really have to worry about it not reaching or you trying to hold it while doing it, and that's not really. It's too fumbly. This, I found this very secure that it can swivel over to my countertop and do that way. That it's definitely ideal. I will show you. So this is a little better setup and you get an idea of what kind of materials this comes with. This is like a PVC kind of material. It's not metal. This is some silicone tubing, and it also came with this. I found that the setup was super easy to do. I just took out my old one and plugged this one in into my wiring and my plumbing, and it was super easy to do. It took us about 30 minutes to install just because it takes us a little bit to figure it out. But if you were looking for an instant hot faucet that is out of the norm and more unique, that the Delta one is one definitely should check out.